Hello, welcome back again. So as far we have created this weather app. I will try to finish this. Yeah, maybe. And I have 2 hours maybe left. So yeah, let's see what can I do today. So as for the UI and other stuff, this is quite functional. Everything works. Let's search for a city. I don't know anything about Ray. But R for sure we'll have one with face data, and we have two different options. Like we can save this thing or do other stuff. That's we have done so far. And maybe we like to add this button as a floating action button. That makes more sense, I guess. So yeah, this is it. And or maybe just leave as it is. I don't bother. And a better way would be to add some padding. So just skipping for the time being. So if we save those city here, we will get here. So this is our different type of city that we have saved. Everywhere is fast wind. Why? I haven't calculated the mode, I believe so. So anyway, and this filter is also working. Uh, what? It should be working. Yeah, it works. DA Canada start with, yeah, it has been shorting that way. That is totally fine. This is working, but we haven't implement to delete this thing here. So what we can do, we can click here and go to that our save city details page. I mean, the way we have showed the SAR city. So in general, we will use that thing. So what do I mean? We have our project like this. Let's increase a little bit so that you guys can see. So here on our SAR city, so SAR city list view, we have something like cities and response data. Yeah, save city page. This is not this one. This SAR city city weather page. This is the default one, so it expects this city. So we can use it on a common folder. Maybe, yeah, it is. We're thinking like, you know what? Uh, let's create the city details. Maybe something like this. But it will be common one. Like it can come from the save city. It can come from the save city. Saved answers. So both are having this thing. We can separate this one. Like we can use the city weather view. Like create a new folder here and call it city weather view. And here we can move this city weather page. So it expects this city. So let me get what it is needed. So fix import. We have a gradient background. Yeah, that is fine. But the common widget, yes, it is quite good. This SAR city, we have a city details view. That is what we like to do here. We don't want to put it here. I think this everything will be go there. So now if I do it, let's do a refresh and we get those stuff. So we have a new section here on presentation layer, city weather. It's expected city. If it finds a city, it just face the response. This is totally fine. And we could also use other stuff, but hey, this is good. This is quite good. That's what we have wanted. So from our save city base, like here, the save city, and if we click on a style, here this is our list view, close others. We don't want to mess around. And on this style, we have weather card. Don't we have a one tab or something? Um, should I wrap the outside? Yeah, I don't like to have this thing inside. Final, avoid on cover. It doesn't have any city, so yeah, I need to move it outside. So, final, void, callback. My IntelliJ is not suggesting me anything. For what reason and purpose? I don't know. Anyway, let's make it optional. I don't know if the parent will extend it or not. So what can I do? This is a weather card shape. This is aspect ratio. I can wrap with this one. So on tap, it, um, it seems like my network strength is quite low for some reason. I'm not so sure why it is showing that. Why this network strength is low at the middle of this night. This isn't good. Let me check the stream if it is working perfectly or not. Not yet for me. So this is the on-tap method, the weather card. We have it here. Now we can have that thing on tap. And if we tap here, so we like to context dot push. And where we like to go? We like to go app route, city details. Yeah. And we have to pass it extra as let me go there. Let me show you what we had earlier. This one. We have something like seat information. We have to pass it as extra. So extra will be city info and here we need ID. Hold on. We have our city info. We don't have to do the things like this way, okay? We get it from the first index because on our record we have it. Like let me show you what I did here. We had created this record here and we have passed loop through another step. Yeah. So far so good. My network strength seems not stable for the time being. Not so sure. It says it is having excellent connection on that stuff. Yeah, I hope so. If it is excellent or not, I cannot do anything better. That is the constraint for me. So if I go here, if I click here, it will come to the city details. And here is the thing. If I come from the city details space, I don't want to show this save button. It will be replaced with a delete button. That's what I want. So how can I do that? We know this weather card, it will be always for the save city. And if we tap here, we have something like this. We have something like this extra. Also, we need to here is the thing. I cannot just put two extra like this way. I have to use a map. So maybe city. Also, there is something called route stack. I believe it should keep track of the navigation, we can also use that. But hey, just I just want to make it work around for the time being and end this project and move to the next one. So this will be from saved. So it is not like this one. I will use the show delete button or is saved item. I can use it is saved item. So it will be true from here. Looks good. And let's hide this thing. It is not necessary. Oh, yeah. I have turned off this stuff. So yeah. So if we go back to our route, and this time we cannot get it like this way. We have to let's do things like so final city final data equal to state dot extra as it will be a map and it will be map dot string dot dynamic. So final we have our city. This return okay. I thought it should like work better. Anyway, data dot city and I have another is from saved. So I have to is from saved and this will be false. And so this city is come from this way. I can show delete button. I can use the controller to show all this stuff. We can do that, but I think in Go Router we have a specific way to handle it. Let me check if it is really getting here or not. Because I have to make sure. There is one more thing. This route has been broken. The reason I have converted this way. So yeah, this will be my city and saveability. Yeah, is my save city now? Okay, we had it, but here city. Yeah, this should be. Actually, it should do the work. Now I like to get it is from saved. It comes from the state.extra. So list view, we have it here. Where is that thing anyway? Save city page. Here. Here is the thing. If it is loaded, I can render something else. Stream list of city info. No, it comes from the details page, so not here. Let's open the thing here. This bottom action here. Go router of context and I like to get extra can I get it something like route delegate current configuration extra So now I like to get it, check it here if I'm actually getting the stuff. Yeah. So open our terminal. Now on debug console. I don't care about those stuff. I just care about my extra. So here, let's load the bunch of thing and we are getting null. Why? This thing supposed to get the data here. So current configuration from the route delegate, I'm not able to get this stuff. This is interesting because I have passed here. If I check here, this is my extra. Here you see, this is the extra. And also this is my path. So I can do one more thing. Let's check something else. Oh shit, not this one. The here there is something wrong with my route stuff, I believe. Configuration extra codec, I don't know. This is not the what I want. I had to check this API. Like this is a good API. So null particle to save. Yeah, this one configuration. I'm not using the state. I care about this state here. Route information parser. Route parser, route provider. Which one was it? No. I care about. It should come from the delegate. I mean, this is the thing we wanted. The external what hurt us now. Hmm. I have been thinking, let me do a Google search. So, how can I get Go router extra from a widget or inside a widget? This is not actually what I want. I've searched something, it says I can go there, but I want to get from the widget, not publicly. Okay. They have shared some migration. Uh, so what I'm going to do, I can pass the value from the parent and use it here. I can pass it from the parent, but that is not how I am actually trying to do. I am trying to get this thing, extra stuff directly from the context. That is my current goal, but it is not listening to me. So here is the thing I can do. I maybe current configuration. I don't care about the current configuration. Route like this. This is what all I want. Let me check. Things getting updated. I just get confused for the time being. So, what can we do here? This is our current configuration list. I don't care about this. Here, no, I cannot do that. Let's, let's just, what is that delegate? Okay, I have this delegate now. Current configuration. I don't care about the current configuration. I like to get the extra here. So if I go to that here, this is a builder and route.path.extra. This is not what I actually like to have. So make it to a string and read all those stuff. Maybe we can find something useful here. So if I come here, it load the save page. If I click here, nah, it's not going to have it. It is not giving me anything. Go router, codec object, extra codec. I just need extra, not the codec. Mm, initial extra, no. Observer, that is not what I want. Let me look into the Google little bit. How can I get out extra from a widget? Okay, Google search is kind of lazy stuff. I'll use AI. Being lazy is good. Come on, this here. How can I get out extra inside a widget? Flutter, that makes sense. Or maybe I should say from the build context. Yeah, let's see. Access. Yeah, it is showing me to do the same way I have did. Okay, here is a mistake I have did. Instead of extra, it's saying I can use command. It is here is the AI have to say, but there is no state here. Parameters. I need to open the doc. Okay, okay, full path. Try this. I have tried this way extra, I know. I tried it. And that extra. This extra is equal to now. That that full path. Okay, and that full path. Let's just reload for the sake that it is working or not. It doesn't matter because AI is not giving me. Hey, here is the thing. No, this is not giving me the right thing. No, it is outdated. There is no extra on here. There is no state. You're correct. This chat GPT is like saying you are correct if I say you are not wrong, even on the correct statement. So this is will create the bias in a society, and it feels like a dumb, too dumb to say yes to everything. Okay, he says I cannot do that. No. So what I want, it says, it says I cannot get that thing. So let's make things quick. I don't want to waste your time. I will learn it somehow. The easy way to learn, or the fastest way, to go router documentation. And I'll go through that current configuration change log. Hold on. It just says, yeah, let me show you what it says. It just says, yeah, breaking chains, params, poulters, go router state. This is where it break. Go router state. And when it break, I mean, match location. Mhm. This is something, and there are so many updates after that. Let's go to the README. Name route, push, deep linking, redirection. Where is that extra stuff? Migration guide. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Let's get this thing. Yeah. Map. Let's just get this thing from here. So parent page, funnel will show delete button. I got the show delete button. So yeah, and correct configuration is from save. It is from save. Then I will show the delete button. If it is from save, show the delete button. And if it is showing the delete button, I can pass it just here. But actually, what I like to have, I like to show the floating action button. Maybe that makes more sense and looks beautiful. Or just pass it here. I don't care about anything. Like we can definitely do it better. Well, like we have many ways to do it. The best way I could think of just using this here instead of passing the reference. But hey, this was so why bother? Pull. Sure delete button. Yeah. This time flies too fast. I mean it is I've already spent half an hour just to figure it out, guys. This action button. I should have. This is boring. This is boring. Let's just get it. Bull. Sure. Delete button. Context. Not get. Find ancestor widget of extra type. Yeah. Should I get it here? Okay. Yes. Okay. Get it from the here. So Show. Yeah. So this is here. Now on this button, this style is kind of messed up, but I have to let's my city style. So final my city button style and just save or delete city button style. Yeah, save for delete city button style. This will do the work. And now this kind of save thing is this depends on this one. So show delete button. If it is so, then delete, and also this will be changed. Yeah. Oof. We had this true false for some reason. I have forgot. So if it is save city, then we have no, we haven't used it. We haven't. Yep, we haven't used it, but we can now. Anyway, now I need to make sure I'm doing it right. I hope I'm doing it right. Show delete button and then else if it is delete button then return something. I think I don't have anything to do with the false or true here. Have I done anything with this route? No, I haven't. I have checked that. I was trying to plan something, but I haven't did it. So here, context.db, it will be delete city. So currently we don't have any. Save city. Let's delete city and city information. I don't care about whether it is primary or not. I just wanna delete it. So write delete city.id. Yeah, this is all I care about. Ah shit, I haven't turned off this thing. Sorry guys. So what I did, I have refactored this style, this one here, and put this on a variable, and also I have on def, this is what I did. I have created a method city, and if it is show delete button, then show the delete test is show the save test, and on save city go there or delete city go there. That's what I did. And if it is show delete button, maybe on the parent level, I'll refresh it. So this is what I did. So let's do a hot restart. Come here. Load. I like to show some error. If it is happen, like literally, why are you? Why there is no? I mean, it should show the delete button, but it is not showing. Show delete button. Where is my route config? Here, ESN is from save. So save list view on Dave is I mispronounced something. It's from save. So now if I go, come on fetch it. Now it will show the delete button. Perfect. So yeah, this is my list view. Let's get here. I need to change the style. So save or delete. The foreground color is, we can leave it white, but background color is from delete. Come on, save. What was that? Show delete button. If it is true, background color. What will I do? Colors and that red and that shade 300 is colors that black, a blue gray shade 300. It will looks good, I believe. Yeah, this one is delayed, and if I go draw, I don't know, there's something like yeah, this contrast is good shape button. Yeah, I know it can be a different color, but hey, let's just keep things simple. Okay, save my place. I can make it. And if it is already my place, do I need to show it? No, then I can add another parameter, like if it is already on my page, maybe I can get from the stream and check it. Okay, let's do that thing. I can get from the TB. So local DB context.db local DB and my city. This is what I want. Okay, last this thing here, I could have used this my city as something like get outside the city info, my city, and use my city. So my city info, I can definitely my home city. uh, Guys, yeah, I know, this is a silly name, but nothing I can do better for the time being. So, final pull is my city is equal to city dot id. So yeah, if this is my city, then here on my saved other stuff, I don't want to show this one. Maybe I can totally hide this thing here. Yeah, totally hide this thing. So what was my city again? Come on, show up. It was GA. Ga. Where is Ga? Yeah. If it is my city, hey, this isn't good. It is showing that thing. Did I miss something? On save. Duck. Okay, Duck is my city, not the god. Then why it is showing here as my city on the home page? There is one way to figure it out. Let's just delete bunch of things here. So this is my city definitely. Okay, okay, dokie. It is only showing when for not my city. So if it is not my city, then I'll add this thing. Yeah, this definitely makes sense. Yeah. If it is not my place, I can add my place. So here, if I save it as my place, now if I go there, I will say that show it as a delete one. So far, so good. Okay. We like to have some padding here. I believe so. Let's add some padding on save list. Save list view, this one. Separated and separated below. Facebook height. How much? 8. How does it look on 8? Yeah, this is good. I'm okay with it. So this loading things looks kinda ugly. We could have used the shimmer. And this there is one more things I will fix. I will fix only this portion of it now. So add a delete option. And a delete option. Okay, and let's go to the home page. So let's close all others. Here on the bottom sheet, I guess it will come from here. Instead of this alignment, bottom sheet, I can add some position stuff because I'm not using any scrollable or other stuff. So yeah, it makes more sense not to use it this way. I can definitely get rid of this thing. I don't care about this stuff anymore. Instead of bottom sheet, let's just, this page isn't needed anymore. Yeah, this page is not needed. City weather view, yeah. That page is not needed. Yeah. Our weekly forecast view, that is what I wanted. So, okay, I have this the same name. This is nice thing to have. And if I go there, yeah, let's do it. There is only one issue left, like if we, why? The main axis size equal to main. They should do the work. Now I need to add some padding here. So yeah, this is good, but we have quite some padding at the bottom. I'm not so sure why we have this thing. Horizontal 12. Okay, this is strange. I shouldn't be doing that thing, especially. This is not in my nature to add a padding on that hidden level. So instead, we will add some padding from here. So how much padding we like to have? I can directly use a position. So bottom will be the amount of this bottom nav we have. So it was like 150 and left equal to 0, right equal to 0 because we have horizontal list view, so it can throw some constant maybe, but that's why just to be cautious. Hey, it is going, but 100 is quite big, so it will be like 70. I don't know. Yep, this is good. This is visually good and this looks good. I'm satisfied. Now for this thing, I like to do a refresh stuff. 72. So, so if I go here, if I delete something, I need to refresh the list. That's why I'll go to the step list view. On push, I will check it if I do need to refresh those stuff. It is because I'll remove it from the database for the time being. Yeah, bull bull is updated and it will be async. It will be a wait and it can always return null, so it will be a false. So this thing it looks good on that manner, but this thing doesn't looks like anyway. So I need to get the remove city. So remove city. This is what I need, and it can be null. That's fine. If remove city not equal to null, then data dot here is the thing. I am getting through a perfect index here, so I don't have to has removed bool has removed because I am passing that thing else nothing. If has removed, this is the only operation it can do. If so, then data dot remove index something and remove at. There is also something can happen, I guess. This one, it directly depends on that level. I hope it don't cause some issue here. So refresh init database. I can create a list. Method here find init db. This is why it is good to create a method, even though it will help many times. Here, if I init db, but it won't be doing that thing. I have to. It was unnecessary. So yeah. So anyway, filter db is equal to data, and of course set state. That's what it will do. And if I go to that city detail space, save city page, yeah, that's for sure. I can do it here, and oh, I'm already in here. I need to go to that save city list. Save city list. Where I'm keep roaming on a single place. I think that will be city weather page. City weather page, yes. So details here. Let's go to the bottom. If it is not my city, show something. If it is deleted, avoid here. For the save city, I don't have to do anything because it will go to that parent level. But context that we did, yeah, this one. It will do that job, I guess. Let's try. Boom. So let's delete the London from this thing. Yeah, it's working. So we don't have any London. I hope this is what we wanted, and maybe I should add some just for the fancy level. I don't know what is it will be use case, but maybe it will be a good idea to have it. Let me see the Figma again. What we had, yeah. So if I jump into it, okay, let me show you too. Yeah, it's loading. Come on, it's taking too long. Anyway, I know, this is not the same as the UI. I can definitely use a shader mask and do this stuff. This thing, gradient color, is kinda causing me some trouble. Actually, we can build this stuff. Or maybe we can just take this. How many shader they have? Like this thing is a different. This thing is different. Its color, what it is using. It is using a different color. Let's get this stuff. Decode. Yeah, decode this thing. Yeah. So just delete this thing. Yeah. I'm caring about this stuff. So this is something. It has a linear gradient, and I also do have one. Let's check it. Let's check our code base. What we did. Okay, fix, delete, fix, save city, remove. Okay, there's what we did, and on our home page, now on our app neighbor, let's close all other stuff. And on our shape, this one, here is the thing. Mhm. What color we had? 6A, 0%. This opacity will be 0. No, 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 no. It will be 100 by default. This will be 100, but the alignment is kinda odd. I mean, it has aligned on a different place. And the color is too thin that it is hardly visible. Hmm. What is this color anyway? But my color is too dark. So what have they did? They didn't use this as a x-axis. Y-axis is 0, that is for sure. But they have used it like this. So x here and end will be here. This is how they have used it for that variant. But their shade is quite different from me, and okay dokie, here is the thing. 6C, okay, 53A, and they have something like 20. What is this? 36. Okay, all the color they have used 26%, so I cannot use this const anymore. With opacity, it will be duplicated after some days. So this is how they have used it. And another thing they have did, they have a background color that has been used by this decoration box. So I might add that thing here, the thing I have previously did on my home page. Um, my city view. This isn't good. It is good now. So my city. Oh shit. So my city view, and we have a horizontal forecast view, and it will be for only this widget. Come on, show up here. Here is one more thing. We might have messed up with that shape. Did we? Hmm. This is interesting. We shouldn't have messed up with that one. Anyway, let's move to the one and let's see if we actually did messed up. No, we haven't messed up yet. What I will do now, I will this thing here. I need to extend the my city weather. I need to extend this decoration. So my city weather, this is good. Only on home page. That is fine. On a stack, that is also fine. But okay, this is only on the home page. This is why I'm on a stack. I can use the wrap with align. Yes, I can. But where is that decoration? I mean, my city forecast view. Where is that bottom sheet? Here, hourly forecast view. This is the bottom sheet, I guess. Bottom part, and there is a decoration box. I don't have it, but I do have it some point. It should be here. Today's weather is this one, top level, and bottom position is this one. So here, this one has the active tab style and other stuff. This is the decoration I am talking about. So only left or right equals to 12, and I need a bottom like K toolbar height 64. I can use that, but let's use that 72 or maybe 100. And so I don't have to use it like this one. Just alignment bottom center. So this will do the thing and it will load the stuff. Okay, we're having the shape, which is pretty good. And now if I come here, instead of 84, that will do the work. It will increase the decoration because I like to have the decoration inside the view. Come on, shop. Now let's left and right pairing. Is it necessary? I don't think so. It is necessary on the top level. Let's see if it is necessary. It is necessary for the row inner things, but not for this thing. Mm, but I'll use it anyway. It doesn't matter. So what should I focus on now? I should focus on this thing like it glows, it comes. Yeah, this is good. Hmm. But now I will focus on that gradient color stuff. And how can I make this one? It has a background blur, inner shadow, too much stuff, and it has a gradients. So I have to focus on this thing now. I cannot use a backdrop filter. I can use a shader mask, and from that I can do something. So this thing colors not on the 25%, it comes 100%. Let's Let's use one. Let's use one and see how does it look. Here it comes 1%. Now all the thing is come from 26.26 with uh, is it opacity final 0.26. This is the same as using like before, but I'm trying to experiment with something. Just keep question. Okay, not that bad, but as previously we did, this is the same thing. So, okay, let's use a shader marks. So instead of loading all the time, let's go to the home page, stream builder, snapshot the data. It expects a city info. So return city info or something like okay. This is such a one. Okay, now come here. This thing shader marks. I have to check it out. What type of shader marks do you want? Shader marks Flutter. So shader marks this widget instead of decoration. Shader marks. We want the shader callback. This is it will be a linear gradient. It will be this thing, and it will be bound by the thing here. Create shader bound here. That's what I need, and we won't be having any decoration. And yeah, a gradient. I forgot that thing. Yeah. So let's name this. Wow, gradient is a global class, is it? Nah, it's anyway. Linear gradient. So it makes sense if they use it. So yeah, let's see. Come on, shop. Yeah, this is a hard. We can hardly see it, but yeah, this is not what I want. There is a tile mode or something like I can use. I don't want to marks only these things. I want to marks the background itself. So the color behind it. That's what I want to marks. Not this one, I believe. Mm, blend mode. Screen in. Destination in or destination out. I have to check this. Is this what we want? Let's check the design. How they did it. I mean, how she did this thing. They just keep putting layer one top of another. There is a few things he's doing. Like one is the backdrop filter. It is literally a backdrop filter. I'm not the thing I've been thinking. So how can I use this backdrop filter for a specific position? That's the thing I have to check. This is not a shader. This is a backdrop filter. Backdrop filter Flutter. I don't want to expand it. I just want to use it. But backdrop filter will be blurred the other stuff. That is also not what I want. Mhm. Let me check some example code, including the output. Okay, I'm using Google search and Medium. Yeah, that is what I want. But how can I do this without affecting the full body? That is my question. Okay, it says I need to check the account. I need to create an account to check that. I don't want that. So, and for this one, I cannot have a padding. Yeah. Also, I will be not having a padding. I think I won't be having a padding at all. Let me show you why. Um, I just cut it. And instead, padding will be at the top level, maybe. Or I'll just use a size box. So, this shader mark isn't good, so let's. I can use the instinct height for that one. So backdrop filter. Also, color was also good. Like which filter I like to use. How many filter do we have? We have one is image filter. Image filter. Yeah, we like to do some blurry stuff. That is what I want. Also, and what I want to blur here, I like to blur something specific. Sigma 3, Sigma Y. I have literally no idea how this works, but I just keep playing it until I'm satisfied. Yeah, this is something we will like to do. No, I don't want it. We can use a. Let me show you. Instinct height. Let's use instinct height to save this thing. Come on, it shouldn't be taking like all those thing here. Just let me put it. It makes sense. Backdrop filter will do this. Plane mode. This in a top. This in destination in. Come on. Give me something different. I can hardly see you. but I'm sure you have it here somewhere. Okay, this is getting out of my scope because I have to experiment with it. But I was happy with my gradient. Decoration. Just use the decoration for the time being. I'm happy with it. The current output I have. Yep, yep, yep. Do I want anything else? No. By the way, this background vertex kinda look whatever, it looks good anyway. This is the end. Uh, this is this two thing I can use it here. So yeah, I can remove those stuff and I can make it const as we had wanted. Also, let's play with this thing, the initial loading. I don't know what I did here. Nothing really, nothing. But it had something. So yeah. Oh, there is a mistake I have done. Uh, this is that's the thing. Is not nothing. So this so it will be snapshot the data. Yeah, and on app. Oh shit, this is not app. Weather app. Close others on loading view. Loading view. We can do something. To loading view. Why I'm making this stateful and wrap with the material. So yeah, okay, I was trying to make it private. Let's convert today's stateless variables. I don't need, I don't need this thing. So yeah, this drag behavior can cause some issue on other stuff. So how many do we have? Anything like values? Yeah, values dot to set. Yeah, this is good. This is what I wanted. I'm satisfied with the result. If you are not, feel free to play and make a PR. So logger, if I add on my home page, if I go to back, it will add the home page. But uh, did it update this thing? I don't think it has been updated. Maybe update. Let's see something different weather. Like 70-degree. Oh no, I already have this 4 degree as my home page. If it is 4, come back. Yeah, it is, it updated. So yeah, That's all. If you add some text here, okay, circle progress indicator, add some text, then you have to include like what do you need to include? Instead of white base, we can add some color here. Colors dot Chinese is dark gray, blue dark, blue gray, blue and send. This is what I want, but I want some shade like this color. Yeah. Now let's see. That's what I want. So yeah, done. Nothing else to do. So on our next video, I have asked a UI, so someone if you can share so that I can play with my on my free time, and he shared me one of his her work. I will work on that. So let me go to that GitHub and your repo. This is where I am on public. Nothing is special. And let's add the readme a little bit stunning UI. So yeah. So update this readme and okay, we have our something. We don't have the same exact UI, but yeah, I'm gonna use that cover photo. Yeah, it makes no sense to use that thing, but yep, maybe I'll be using anything. Anyway, this is the author. So yep, and let's add on the GitHub. Maybe I will add on the video. So on next video, let me show you what will I be working on. But after that, I have a pretty cool idea to do something, and I'll be working on that project. So there is a Figma invite. Come on, what is that thing? Figma invited. Um, I forgot a name. So anytime now, older than a month. Oh no, there are too many mails. It is hard to keep track on. Maybe I'll just disable something like yeah. So let me go to my Figma design. Maybe I can find that thing here. So if I recently opened my DERF, recently opened PMTDA result weather app, look onto yeah. Here it's saying shop. Let me show you what do I mean. So on our next mission, we are going to build this UI. Isn't it cool? I guess so, yeah. This is the UI we'll be working on, and it has more details what to do. So yep, but he haven't include any animation, I believe so. Let's play. It would be nice if we could include some animation. Log in. Okay, okay, welcome back. Nothing is special about that thing. Get started. Log in, log in. We have our, okay. He has included this card shop. Pay now. Proceed payment successful. Yeah, fine. That's what he has, I believe. There is a Flutter, but Flutter is just a dumb one. It is not anything special. Yeah, so we're going to build this one. This is pretty big, but this is pretty good one. This is like a background blur. Yeah, we can use it, but this image is coming from the feed. This is a cool UI. So yep, next we're going to build this thing because I have nothing better to do. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. See you guys later. Bye bye.